First, let me acknowledge and congratulate the newly elected national chairman. Thank you very much for the acceptance speech and the commitment to the progressive ideology of this great party. In furtherance of this speech, let me first of all, once again, thank you on behalf of all of us, and Nigerians in particular. Thank the Vice President for a very successful role he played to my self, the country, and our predecessor that he brought back with dignity, bringing Muhammadu Buhari back. It's emotionally distraught for me, emotionally distraught, but for all of us, we say thank you. You did a good job. The party leaders, this is the 14th meeting of our great party of the National Executive Council. Since our last meeting, we've lost founding fathers. My predecessor, President Muhammadu Buhari, who passed away July 13th. Can we let us once again write and pray for his soul, and equally pray for two other statesmen, Alhaji Aminu Dantata and Oba Sikiru Adetona, who passed away this month. Though the two are not party members, their lifelong contribution to national development command our respect. May Almighty God forgive their shortcomings and grant them a journey of fidelity. Thank you very much. You may be seated. Distinguished leaders, our journey as a government and as a party has been fulfilling and rewarding. I can report to you today that the economy that we inherited, wobbling, confused, is today stabilized, and we are making progress. One of our added critics at the earlier part of this administration reported the stride in the revenue, 43% achievement by now. I'm proud to say that the team is working. And for you, you've done so much for our party, encouraging and supporting us. With peace, stability, we will do more. The administration's commitment to renew the hope of Nigerians is clear. I want to thank and pray for the governors of our party. Today, I think, counting, we have 23, and still counting. I thank all of you for show of love, solidarity, and accommodation, for your understanding. I could absorb the motion of accommodation to say, okay, we will shift or postpone or recognize in addition for all other spaces that is available. More members are still coming. So if we accommodate the congresses till December, is it? Yes. December. The motion is carried. Yes, thank you very much. That is making room for those who are still coming. And it's not a bad idea to abandon the sinking ship and be absent from a coalition of confusions. Our firm commitment, as we marked 2 years in office, it has been very rewarding. I could see the leadership of the National Assembly, people like Alero of Kebbi and others, embracing the great progressive ideology. I take this opportunity to thank the outgoing, the former national chairman, I would say, Raji Ganduje. I gave him an assignment on the formation of a progressive doctrine that the new chairman, the Progressive Institute, I think National Secretary will help to revitalize that and coordinate. And we can still take him as a consultant for the work with the new chairman to do that. To me, I would say that with the space that we have created to allow the aspiring people to join us, our doors are still open, and we should embrace them wholeheartedly. And if you look at it before the end of this meeting, I formed the party of elders as the new chairman wishes to form a committee of national working members to move around the state, the country, and ensure that those who had joined us enjoy the registration and the membership of our party without any difficulty. Yes, we should leave a legacy of development. And the governors are here, 23 of them, to help identify with the Minister of Federal Capital Territory, FCT, and we should put a committee together of progressive governors to find an appropriate land and build a befitting secretariat. Thank you. I take that. I think we should do that. I believe with that recitation, the motion and the suggestion is carried. We have seen the trend of economic trajectories, and I just promised you that as the president, I will continue to work harder and make sure that the essence of our party is not forgotten. I thank all of you outside there. It is not easy to navigate the storming waters